everyone, and I love natural hair, aka Michelle, and in today's video I will be showing you my review of my April boxy charm. So I have 5 items in my boxy charm, and on the card it says boxy charm sweet treat. And the first item is Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette, and this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. And these are the colors. And let's swatch them for you. And this is what it looks like. I could do a smoky eye with this. And the price for this is $48. Okay, now. And the next one is Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. And this is what it looks like. And the Studio Makeup is $35 for this. And let me show you what it looks like. It's just, let's see. It's not doing nothing. Okay. It's pretty dark. Wow, this is really dark. I'm gonna have to mix it with something else. Let's show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's pretty dark. I'll have to mix it with some other kind of color for it to work for me. That's too dark. And so the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer is $35, if I didn't say that before. And the next one is Eloise Beauty Gleaming Body Glow. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is nice. This is what it looks like. This is very nice. This is what it looks like. The color is pretty. And it's for your body. Let's see. Rubbing it on my body. Well, I don't see a shimmer on there. You can see it. It's right here. Do you see the shimmer? I don't. My arms look really moisturized. That I know. And the price for this is $38. And the next item is Laura Geller Iconic Big Sculpting Lipstick. And this is a lipstick. And this is what, ooh, this is a pretty color. I like this color. This is what it looks like. And smudges. Okay, this is the color right here. It's a pretty color. And the lipstick is $21 for the lipstick. It's a pretty color. I could rock that. And the next item is Terre De Mars Red Edition Body Cleanser. Ooh, nice. And this is what it looks like. And so, let's see. I'm gonna try to use it to take all this makeup off my hand and see if it will work. It says it's a cleanser, so let's see. Wow, it really works. Ooh, look, everything is off. It really cleanses. And it smells really good too. You have to take a shower after and use it. It's really nice. This is my favorite in the package. And this retails for $22. And that is it for my April BOXY charm. And guys, if you would like to get this box, it's $25 for the box every month, and you get makeup, you get face products, and you get hair products sometimes too. And I like it. So if you guys are interested, I will link it below. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.